Have you ever Googled how much rice should I eat for weight loss? And the internet said 100 grams of rice? But how much is 100 grams? Should I be carrying a weighing scale to the restaurant? Or measure my vegetables when I'm cooking at home? No, thank you. If you've ever felt this way, this video is for you. We're going to simplify portion control in a way that's sustainable for you, whether you're eating at home, out with your friends for dinner, or directly from your box at work. Before we begin, I'm Simran Valecha, a certified weight loss expert, and I've lost over 10 kilos myself. I've also helped over 5,000 women globally lose 2 to 3 kilos a month while eating out at restaurants. Let's be real. No Indian mom, housewife, or 9 to 5er is actually measuring 120 grams rajma before cooking it. Portion control is meant to be a lifestyle habit, not an anxiety inducing math problem. Instead, we're going to use plate size, bowl size, and hand measurements today. So let's break down exactly what a portion looks like. One medium bowl is 150 to 200 ml. A regular plate is about 10 inches or 25 centimeters in diameter. One roti is your palm size. Cooked rice fits into this small katori. Protein, which is your paneer or chicken, should also be your palm size. Any source of fat, your cooking oil, ghee should be your thumb size. Malaika Arora eats clean and does yoga. But you know why that actually works? It's consistency in portioning, even if she's eating ghee. Did you know that changing the order in which you eat your food can actually reduce your blood sugar spikes and thereby reduce your cravings? Here's the magic order. Protein first, which is your dal, fish, chicken, paneer, soy, tofu, edamame. The second is fiber, which is your veggies or your salad. And the third is carbohydrates, which is your roti or rice. One palm roti and one small katori rice. When you start with carbs, your blood sugar spikes. But when you start with protein or fiber, your digestion slows down and you feel fuller faster. Even Bhumi Pednekar claims that she ate home cooked meals that made her feel full when she lost 21 kilos. But if you're like me and you love socializing and going out, portion control can be tricky, especially at a restaurant, but it's not impossible. Your protein should be the size of your palm. Your carbs should be the size of your fist. Your fat, your any sauces, your oil should be the size of your thumb. And salad and veggies, eat as much as you want. If you're busy at work and you need snacks to fuel your brain, I totally get it. But sometimes those few peanuts and a couple of khakras along with your tea or coffee can be 500 calories if you eyeball it wrong. Which is why I recommend using small bowls like this instead of eating directly from a packet. Pre-portion your snacks in advance or directly buy serving size versions. Overall, make sure your snacks fit into your daily plate and don't treat them as extras. It's not about saying no to snacks, it's about knowing when to stop. Finally, portion control is a mindset shift. You can't portion if your mindset is I'll eat less now and binge later. Celebrities look effortless because it's a routine for them. But that routine took time to build. This is exactly where my nutrition plan comes in. You don't just get a plan, you get support. Support to make real time decisions, plate feedback, and guidance on when you overeat. I even offer a free plate review. All you have to do is email me at simvalecha@simvalecha.com. Now, here's exactly what you learned today and a step by step plan for you to start portion control. Ditch the weighing scale, use your plate, bowl, and your hands as reference. Fill half your plate with fiber and protein. Eat in the right order, which is protein before fiber before carbs. Portion your snacks in advance. And finally, the most important one, get support if you can't do it by yourself. Want me to review your plate or need help sticking with portion control? All you have to do is email me at simvalecha@simvalecha.com. Hit like if you found this video helpful and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for some more science-backed weight loss tips. Bye.